Hello, welcome to the SuiteCRM MCP Server tutorial. In this video, we will understand the new MCP server of SuiteCRM. We will learn how the server helps automatically connect Claude AI with SuiteCRM and automate various workflows. To continue with the demonstration of MCP server, you first need to download and install Node.js, SuiteCRM MCP Installer Setup 1.0.0, and Claude Desktop application. You can follow our MCP server installation guide to better understand the complete download process. In this video, we will learn about different Claude prompts, actions, and how to verify the action. We will learn about 6 main types of actions, which are checking access to CRM, creating a new contact, creating relationship, fetching specific contact, changing the name of a contact, deleting records. So let's begin. Checking CRM access. Open Claude Desktop application and enter the prompt, "Do you have access to my CRM?" If the application is connected to CRM, it will display a result stating, "I have a SuiteCRM connector available." Creating new contact. To create a new contact in SuiteCRM, enter the prompt, "Create a contact named Olivia Watson with email address watson@gmail.com," as shown in the screen. This will create a new contact record in the CRM. You can change the details of the contact as per your needs. To verify the creation of the new record, navigate to All and click on Contacts. In Contacts, you will see the name of the new contact created. In this case, Olivia Watson. Now click on the new contact's name. This will open the contact details with the email address as watson@gmail.com. Creating relationships. To create a new relationship using 3 contacts and 1 account, enter the prompt as shown on the screen. This will generate 3 contacts, all linked to 1 account. You can also collect the data of the relationship in a tabular form using the following prompt. To verify the relationship, navigate back to Contact. There you will see 3 new contacts using the same account name. You can also go to the Account section where you can see the name of the new account, Acme Corporation, with all the relevant details. Fetching contact. You can also fetch any specific contacts using the action. To fetch a contact, enter the prompt. This will display the latest 2 contact details, along with the record ID. Changing the name of any contact. To change the name of any specific contact, copy the name of the contact and enter the prompt with the new name. This will automatically change the name of the contact to the new name. You can verify this by going to the Contact section and refreshing the page. Deleting records. To delete the record, copy the record of any contact you want to delete. Paste the record with the prompt as shown on the screen. This will delete the record from the respective contact. To verify the deletion, go back to Contacts and refresh the page. The selected contact will be removed. With this, the MCP server tutorial of SuiteCRM comes to an end. We have learned about the 6 main actions in SuiteCRM you can take using the Claude app. The video also explains the process on how you can verify these actions in SuiteCRM. Continue exploring the MCP server. See you again.